Hello students, welcome to Price Edu. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class. Subject है mathematics. And the topic is the face value and the place value of the digit in numbers and expanded form. Now in a last video we have seen the complete theoretical parts, means completed the about the explanation lecture and then some examples we have seen. Now in this video we will look the further all the examples. Question number 5, which is the suitable expanded form for the number 32,57,086. Now 32 lakh means expansion here 30 lakh, okay, here plus 2 lakh, so 30 lakh, here also mentioned, here the 3 lakh, so this option is incorrect one. Here the 30 lakh, so it can be, and then 2 lakh, 2 lakh means this one is correct one, here 2 lakhs, but okay, this option may be, this 3 option is not one, and here 20, so option number 4 also not in our correct option. Then 50,000, okay, 50,000 here mentioned, here 5,000, so this option is incorrect one. Only one is the option which can be correct. Now 7,000, 7,000, then 0, which cannot be written, or we can left it. Then 80, 80 means tens value, so that's 80, and then at the last 6, so this is the option 1 is the correct one. Okay, now question 6, 90,000 plus here the 6 lakh 1,000 plus 3 plus 400 plus 50. So place value, if we added all these expanded form, so unit v is the 3, okay, so at the left means the unit place 3 will comes, then at the tens the 50 means 50, or we can directly added this one, so bigger one is the 6 lakhs, okay, 6 lakh, then 10,000s mean 90,000, then thousands one is here 1,000, and then 400, then 50, and then 3. Like this one we have to arrange, and we can make the additions, okay, all we have to added. So here the 3, then 5, then 4, then 1, 9, and 6. These are also can be method, we can find out the number, or we can orally also find out. In here's the 6 lakhs, okay, the highest terms, and the lowest term is the 3, so 3 is the unit place, the here the tens and the 0, so at the tens position 5 will comes. Now here the 100th position 400 means 4 will be the comes at the 100, then thousands 1 will be the comes here, and then 90,000, so here the thousands and the 9 will come, so 90 means 0 here, 90,000 will comes, and then 6 lakhs, and after the comma 6 is there lakhs. Like this one also we can find out in minimum time. So the number in our options 9 lakh 61, no, but we require 6 lakh 91,000, okay, so this number is incorrect one. Then 9 lakh, here also 9 lakh, so option number 2 is also incorrect one. In option number 3, so option number 3 6 lakh 91,435 is mentioned, so but we require the 53, so that's why this option is also incorrect. Then 6 lakh 91,453, so option number 4 is the correct. Then question number 7, 5 10,000, 5 10,000 means 5 multiplied by 10,000. Okay, this is given in a expanded format, word format, means the 50,000, okay, plus 22,000, so plus 22,000 plus 8, plus 8, okay. If we added this one 8, and then 0 0, and then here the 2, and then 5 plus 2 7, so 72,008, 72,000, this is incorrect one, this is correct one, this is 52, not here 50 not, so option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 8, what is the sum of place values of digit 4 in a number? So digit 4 is the here also and here also. Now we have to add the means summation of this place values, place value of this 4. So which is the place value here? The 4 is the face value, and the position is the 1,000. So 4 multiplied by 1,000. So the here the place value will comes the 4,000, and here 4 is the face value multiplied by the position is the tens. Okay, so 10 multiplied by 4. Okay, so the value will comes the place value here the 40. So if we added this one, so 4040. Now this is the given in option number 3. Question number 9. What is the difference between the place value and face value of the digit 9 in a number? So we have to find the difference between the place value and the face value of 9. So 9 is here. The place value of the 9 is the 9 multiplied by unit means 1. So 9 is the place value here, and the face value also a 9. So difference they are asking means this 9 minus subtracted with this 9. So 9 minus 9, the 0 will be the answer. So that's why option number 40 is the correct one. So the question 10, what is the product? Product means the multiplication of place values, place value of the digit at the 10,000s place and the tens place. Tens place means the 0. Okay, this is the 0, tens place, and 10,000s place. 10,000s place means here the unit 10, 100, 1000, and the 10,000 means 8. Okay, so here the place value is the 8 multiplied by 10,000, so the 80,000 will comes. So 80,000, and the here the tens place is the 0, so they are asking the product. So 80,000 multiplied by the 0, so 0 multiplication means the answer will become the 0. So that's why the option number 2 is the correct one. Now question 11, what is the sum of place values of digit in thousands place? Thousands place means here the 8, place value will be the 8 multiplied by here the 1000, so 1000, so the 8000 will comes. Okay, and summation means added with 100 place, so 3 here multiplied by 100, so the 300 comes. Okay, and then tens place means the 2 face value, and the place value is the 10. So 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20, and the unit is the 4 multiplied by 1 means the 4. And if you added all these one, we will get the same number, because here the in a word format, the expanded format they are given indirectly. So that's why the same number will come. So same number is mentioned in option number 4, which is the correct one. Now the question 12. The same digit occur at the star. Here the some number is mentioned with a stars marking. So number is not given, but the star marking is there. Means here the unit, then tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. So means here just I write down the same number is here, star, one star, here also star, star, and the star, 5 star means 1 2 3 4 5 unit, tens, hundreds, thousand, and 10,000. Okay, a 5 digit number, the sum of their face values is 35. So what is the face values here? So here what the same digit occur means the same number is here, and this is the 5 digit number means of course whatever the number is here or digit we are here, so same we are added the digit, so the number will comes the, or we can say the summation is comes the 35. So 35 is comes, so that's why 35 is equal to number are 5 digits, so 5 multiplication of this digit, same digit here, so we can say this star. So of course 5 multiplied by something, what we the get the answer 35. So which number is multiplied with the 5, so that we can get the answer 35. So 7 multiplied by 5 we get the 35, so that's why the star is the 7. Okay, so this digit is the 7 digit. Now in further question asking what, find the difference between the place value of the digit in a thousands place. Thousands place means here. Okay, so we know the face value 7, 7 multiplied by 1000, so thousands place means 7000. Okay, in a, of the digit in the thousands place, and units place also the 7 face value multiplied by 1, so 7 comes, and they are asking the difference. So 7000 minus 7, so 7000 minus 7, here the 3 will comes, then 9, then 9, and the 1 gone means 6. Okay, 6993, 6993. So this is given in our option number 2. Now question 13, 10,000 plus 4 lakhs, then 2,700. So 10,000 means 3 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 30,000. Then 4 lakhs means 4 multiplied by 1 lakh is the 4 lakh. Then 2,700, 27 multiplied by 100. So it comes the 27 and the 00 means 2,700. And then 5,000 means 5 multiplied by 1,000. So it becomes the 5,000. And then 62 tens means 62 multiplied by tens means 620. So what will be the number? So 62 tens. So then we have to add it all this one, means the 4 lakh here, 4 lakh, then 30,000, then 2700, then 5,000, and then 620. Okay. So 0 as it is here, 2, then 6 and 31 carry, here the 8, and then 3 and the 4. So the number is 4,38,320. So which is given in our option number 3. So option number 3 is the correct one. So next question, question number 14. The number 7 lakh 7 is written as. What is the difference between the proper number and written number? See, in a word 7 lakh 7. 7 lakh 7 means 7, then 10,000, then 1,000, 00, and directly 7 is given. So 100 is the also 0, then tens also the 0, and the unit place is the 7. Okay, but in written, actually here, if you see, the 70,000 is written. So we have to calculate the difference between this word format means 7 lakh 7 and with the written format. So I just write out here 7 lakh 7 subtracted with 70,000, 007. Okay, so if you calculate the subtraction here, so 0, and 1,316. Okay, so 6,30,000. So 6,30,000 here, the 63 lakhs are not possible, here also not, here 63,000 not. Option 6,30,000. So option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 15, which is the right statement about the place value of 9 digit in the number? So in this number, 9 digits are here, one is at the units and one is at the hundreds. Okay, so statement A is the place value of the digit 9 at units, the place value of the digit 9 at the unit. So at this unit place the 9 having the place value 9 multiplied by the place, which is the place unit place. So that's why the multiplication with the 1, so is equals to 9. This is the place value, is 1 of hundreds times the place value of 9 digit at the hundreds. So this is the hundreds value, so 9 is the face value, so 9 multiplied by unit is the, so place is the 100 place, so that's why 100 multiplication with is equals to 900. So this 9 means this units place 9 digit having the place value 9 is 1 of 100th times the place value, means, so means 900 multiplied by 1 by 100th is equals to this 9. So this is the correct one. So this A is the correct statements, means the right statements. Then B, the place value of the 9 digit 9 at the hundredth place and the unit place are the same. No, the place value at the both the 9 digits are not the same. So that's why this B is incorrect. This is not a right statement. At the C, the face value of the digit 9 at the both the position are the same. Oh, correct one. This is also 9 digit and this is also 9 digit, and the face value means the same digit as it is. So it means here also face value 9 and here also face value 9. So this C statement is the correct one. Means in option 1, A and B is the right statement. No, B is the not right statement. So wherever the B is mentioning, which is not our correct option. So here also A, B, C mentioned. So option 4 is the incorrect one. So that's why A and C means option number 3 is the correct one, is our option. Question number 16. What is the product of place value of the digit 4 and 5 in the number? So 4, here the 4 and the 5 is here. So place values at the 4. So 4 multiplied by, this is the face value of this 4, means the same digit, multiply by this. This is the at the 10,000. So 10,000's place. So that's why multiply by with the face value. So we will get the place value 40,000. and multiply by with the 5. 5 is that the unit place, so 5 multiply by unit means the 1, so that's why this is the 1. And they are asking the product, so that's why this 40,000 multiply by with the 5, so that will come the 4 multiplied by 5 20, so that's why this is the 40,000, so means 2 lakhs will come. So 2 lakhs is mentioned here, the two tens incorrect one. 2 10,000s means the 20,000. No, this is incorrect one. This 2 10 lakhs. No, this is 20 lakhs, which is incorrect one. And 4 option is the 2 lakhs mentioned. So this is the correct one. Now question 17. The same product occur in a place of the star in this number. The difference between place value of the digit at star is 19,800. Find the digit. So this star is mentioning in this number, and we have to find out the star means that digit particularly. Now in this one, if you see, the one star is at the 100 and another is at the 10,000. Okay, so 10,000, this is the place, and the face value here the star. Okay, so we will mention this star multiply by 10,000, and here the 100 means the star multiply by this 100. Okay, the difference between the place values. Now we have to calculate the difference, so this minus this one is equals to 19,800 is there. So if you subtract it here, so this digit also the same, this is also the same, make a common this digit, so star in a bracket 10,000 minus 100 is equals to 19,800. Okay, so if we subtracted this one, so 10,000 minus 100 means this is the 9,900 means 9,900, and multiply by with the this star means this unknown digit, we can say, is equals to 19,800. Now here this is the in multiplication. Okay, because this is also multiplication, here also multiplication, and if we goes this side, this 919, it will divide this term, so the star means unknown digit is equals to 19,800 divided by this 9,900. Okay, because here the multiplication, and after this one if we put up this one this side, so it will divide, or we can say we will divide both the side 9900, here also divide 9900, here 9,900 gone and here also gone, means ones and ones, so this terms as it is. Okay, so this is also way. Now this 20 means 100 and 100 gone. Okay, so 99 ones and 99 twos are 190, so the star means the unknown digit is the 2. Okay, so this 2 is mentioned in our option number 1. So these are the questions for the place value, face value, and the expansion formats. So in the next video we will look some more examples, try to solve out, and we will make our concepts very clearly. Thank you.